Right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh. It was only at the Son of Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahushua. Those are the true names of the ancient Paleo people, blessed with our story tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Wa'akwa, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January the 25th, 2026, on this Sunday night. And this is from the earthquake.usgs.gov. And a total of 37 earthquakes was recorded from yesterday all the way today. And you had a 2.6 earthquake recorded 7 kilometers southwest on the south of Willows, Alaska. You had a 5.2 earthquake 134 kilometers northeast of La Palio, Timor-Leste region. You had a 5.0 earthquake recorded in Volcano Island, Japan region. 4.6 earthquake recorded 16 kilometers northeast of Angria, Peru. 3.8 earthquake recorded 77 kilometers south of Point Hope, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 41 kilometers west of northwest of Pala of Chile. 2.6 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers west of northwest of Happyville in that region. 4.1 earthquake recorded 41 kilometers south of Altilio, Greece. 3.0 earthquake recorded 31 kilometers east of southeast of Lambasia, Alaska, if I pronounced that right. And then you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers east of southeast of Palima, BC of Mexico. 3.6 earthquake recorded in the Upright Islands, Otilia Island region. 4.1 earthquake, 141 kilometers southeast of Sand Point, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 27 kilometers southeast of Otilia, Alaska. 2.6 earthquake, 6 kilometers southwest of Birdwood, Alaska. 3.3 earthquake, 53 kilometers of Dominican Republic in that region. 3.3 earthquake recorded 89 kilometers of Central Asia of Puerto Rico. 2.7 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers north of northwest of Susanville, California. 3.4 earthquake recorded 54 kilometers west of Mentone, Texas. 4.7 earthquake recorded 61 kilometers southeast of Hangchong. I think that's Hangchong of Taiwan. That was a 4.7 earthquake over in that region. 2.6 earthquake recorded 43 kilometers west of northwest of Alphen Cove of Alaska. That was a 2.6 earthquake in that region. And then you had a 3.0 earthquake recorded 15 kilometers of Pittsburgh, California. 4.1 earthquake recorded 10 kilometers south and southwest St. Georgia, if I pronounced that right, of Turkey. In that region, there was an earthquake. 3.5 earthquake recorded 73 kilometers north of Coos Bay, U.S. Virgin Islands. 3.5 earthquake recorded 65 kilometers south and southeast Halbert of Cove of California. 4.9 earthquake. 4.9 earthquake recorded 109 kilometers south and southwest Bali of Indonesia. And you had a 3.7 earthquake in Rat Island of Alaska. I believe that's how you pronounce it right. And then you had a 2.9 earthquake recorded southeast of Jonestown, Puerto Rico. And then you had a 2.5 earthquake recorded east to southeast of wider Alaska. And then you had a 5.0 earthquake recorded in Bani Island, Japan. And then you had a 5.1 earthquake west to southwest of Tour of Indonesia. And then you had a 4.9 earthquake recorded in the Fuji region, 5.2 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Island. That was on the 24th. So this was the latest earthquakes as of January 25th. Yep, January 25th, 2026 on Sunday afternoon slash night. And this is the second Ezra's. This is the book of Second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 2. It says, Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time where the highest, which is the Heavenly Father, will begin to visit the world which he made. So we see the Heavenly Father visiting the earth now, so that which he made, because you know the Heavenly Father, he's the true creator of the heavens and earth, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh in ancient Paleo Hebrew. So we're going to see the Heavenly Father visit the earth with the earthquakes in diverse places. And this is Second Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. It says, Therefore, there should be seen earthquakes in the upwards people world, right? So more increasing earthquakes in the upwards people world, right along with it. And this is Psalms 18. This is the book of Psalms 18, verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled, and the foundations also is removed and shaken because it's wrath. Right, so we'll see the great shakings of the Heavenly Father make a visitation upon the earth, the earthquakes, because he was wrath. Because you know the Heavenly Father is a righteous, boundless judgment power. Like it says in Ecclesiastes 12 and verse 14. And this is the prophet Isaiah. And this is the prophet Isaiah speaking that the prophet Isaiah was mentioning that the Heavenly Father is going to visit the earth with the weather-like conditions, and that's what we see. And thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake and great noise and storms and tempests in the front of fire. And we see these weather vortex, we see these historical storms around over here in America, around the world. So that's an increasing visitation of Yahweh of hosts, as the prophet Isaiah was mentioning. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake. And you got a thunder snow. Never heard that before. I heard of a thunderstorm, not thunder snow, a thunderquake. Hey, so that's more visitation that we're going to see the Heavenly Father visit this earth with these different types of historical uh, weather patterns. And that's what we're seeing with this weather vortex, a scream cold weather vortex. You know, he's going to visit this earth with these volcano eruptions, wildfires, tornadoes, landslides, floodings, famines, pest plagues, etc. And definitely with these earthquakes that we're seeing. And this is the book of Matthew, 24th chapter. And this is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, and verse 7. It says, For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to be seeing the uptick of earthquakes in various places and earthquakes in diverse places that Yahweh spoke about. And this is Luke. This is the Gospel of Luke 21 verse 20. Gospel of Luke 21 verse 20. The Gospel of Luke 21 verse 11. It says, great earthquake shall be in diverse places. Right, so we see great earthquake shall be in diverse places. In famines and pestilence and different sights and great signs shall be in heaven. So the Heavenly Father showing us these great signs shall be from heavens 1, 2. And He's showing us these plain beginning and out works and the effects of signs. And definitely with these uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of January 25th, 2026 on this Sunday night. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kwamadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and his own begotten Son, Bahashem, and the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Kamashmadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Marakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akia, Wa'akwa. Until next time, I will say Kwamashrawa, in the Ball, Shalom.